Hi guys, just got to the gym. It's freezing today. Just heading in. We've got our receptionist and Ross is here. I think he's doing some private. And then we're heading through and it is incredibly warm. We have had infrared heaters added to the gym. So when you come in, everything is preheated. So to that side and to that side, the mat is actually warm. Big thanks to Jamie from Blue Tech Electrical who came in and fitted those this week. So it doesn't matter how cold it is outside, we're good to roll.